What is DNA? DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid, is found in almost every living thing. It's a long, twisting chain made of tiny chemical units called bases. The order of these bases acts like coded instructions for building life itself. And the code you carry? You got it from your parents. Your body's instruction manual. Think of DNA like a massive instruction manual stored in every cell. It's shaped like a ladder twisted into a spiral, with rungs made of base pairs. Together, these form long sequences called genes, which tell your cells how to build proteins, the stuff that keeps you alive. 3 billion bases, 20,000 genes. Humans have over 3 billion bases in their DNA, and about 20,000 genes. When your cells need to copy DNA or build a protein, the helix unzips and copies are made. It's all happening constantly inside you, even while you watch this video. Where is DNA stored? DNA is stored inside the nucleus of nearly every cell, except for red blood cells. Each nucleus holds about 6 feet of DNA, tightly coiled into 46 chromosomes, in 23 pairs. You get one chromosome of each pair from mom and the other from dad. The X and Y factor. Most of your chromosomes are paired copies of the same genes. Females have XX while males have XY. The Y chromosome is smaller and carries genes that influence masculine traits. DNA, protein factory. Each gene is a recipe for one protein, and proteins do it all. They build your cells, shape your tissues, and power your organs. Some genes are short, others stretch across millions of bases, but all work together to run your body. What makes you unique? About 99% of your genes are the same as everyone else's, but that 1%? That's where things get interesting. Tiny changes called alleles are what give us different eye colors, hair textures, and even influence health risks. Hidden traits. Sometimes alleles come in pairs, and one can hide the effect of the other. This is why traits like blue eyes or genetic disorders might skip generations. Traits are teamwork. Many of your features, like height, skin tone, or intelligence, come from combinations of many genes. That's why siblings can look totally different, even with the same parents. Unpacking the code. DNA is packed tightly into chromosomes, wrapped around spool-like proteins. The base pairs, A with T, G with C, always match up. But the sequence of those bases is what makes you, you. Fun fact, humans don't have the most genes. We've got fewer than an onion, and way fewer than an amoeba. But don't worry. We're still winning the brains department. DNA is tiny, but it carries the blueprint for life. And just like a single strand of code can build a human, a small step today can build your future. Here's your quote of the day. The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the grandest intention. If you like this episode, hit like, subscribe, and keep exploring what makes you, you.